This 2024 Winnebago Access 26BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, water heater, smoke detector, awning, stovetop burner, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, spare tire kit, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.